Hi guys, welcome to this video about what you can do when you have bubbles, like air bubbles in the incoming water jet in a pool. Most people, when they think about what it could be, they think about a leak on the suction side. That's the other side before the pump, before the water hits the pump. But what you have to do definitely before you start checking the whole piping, check the pressure on your water filter. And if you see something like this is 16, I think it's about 16 psi. That's definitely too much. The whole system is still working, but the problem is that it builds up bubble. I have never found out why it does. I mean, nobody has been able to tell me. I've not been able to see some reference or whatever in the internet, but this is just my experience, and it is somehow confirmed by the email which I got from my pool guy on a weekly basis, and he says that he's recommending to change or to replace the filter. So I don't know if his suggestion is based on the bubbles or the pressure, just the pressure or the dirt inside the filter. I haven't been talking to the pool guy since I'm just renting. It's not my home, actually. It's not my pool. I'm just renting, so uh, I'm good with that. I don't have any problems with that as long as the pool is more or less clean. The dirt which you have seen is just because the water level was too high and I've lowered the water level, so the skimmer is working again, and now there is less dirt. I had this problem also in another home which I owned, and I did the pool maintenance, and every time the pressure got too high and the filter got a little bit dirty, there was some air in the jets. I don't know why this is. I don't know where it's coming from. I have really no clue, but I can really recommend, before you start checking the piping for any leaks on the suction side, then I would definitely at least clean the filter and check then for the pressure, and maybe you would also have to replace the filter. What I usually did, I had 3 filters, and so I changed or switched them on a monthly base. So the when I took the old, like, used filter out of the filter, of the filter cartridge, of the housing, I cleaned it with some water from the hose, from the garden hose, made it clean, and then let it dry basically for 2 months before I used it again. And I had it outside in direct sun. I don't know if it's really good. I had really good experience. I've heard about people who put it in a plastic bag and leave it there for a month or two. I don't know. I wouldn't do that because maybe it could build up some mold and it doesn't really get dry. I had always the impression that the filter had to be dry for a couple of weeks or even months to get back to full strength. Full strength means full capacity to provide a lot of water running through it, so that the pressure doesn't build up again. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.